Welcome back. It's time now for the financial week. This is not a simple technical adjustment. That word from President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association as manufacturers push back against the government's plan to expand the environmental protection levy on their sales. The details in this report.
The Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association is raising fresh concerns about the government's decision to expand the environmental protection levy to 100% of manufacturers' sales. The association is warning that the move could weaken the competitiveness of locally produced goods and give imports an advantage. The measure, which forms part of the government's 2026-2027 fiscal package, is projected to generate approximately $3.6 billion in additional revenue. President of the KMEA, Catherine Silvera, says this is not a simple technical adjustment. It fundamentally alters the competitiveness balance between locally produced goods and imports. At a time when Jamaica needs to strengthen domestic production and expand exports, policies that penalize manufacturers move the economy in the wrong direction. Manufacturers warn that the increased tax burden will translate into higher production costs and reduced margins. The manufacturing sector remains a key pillar of the Jamaican economy, generating value-added exports and supporting employment, while maintaining strong linkages with industries such as agriculture, logistics, retail, and services. The concerns come as the government seeks to mobilize additional revenue following the widespread damage caused by Hurricane Melissa, which is estimated to have resulted in approximately $12.2 billion in losses, or 56.7% of Jamaica's 2024 GDP. Tax measures included in the 2026-27 national budget are expected to generate roughly $29.6 billion Jamaican dollars to support recovery and reconstruction efforts. Among the recommendations put forward by the KMEA are maintaining the discount levy base for manufacturers to preserve parity with imports, exempting or deferring exports in line with international best practice, and ensuring environmental tax policies do not inadvertently weaken productive sectors. Halshane Burke, TVJ News.
The JSE index declined by 3,344 points, while the junior market index advanced by 3,364 points. The winners include 138 Student Living Jamaica, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Edufocal Limited, Kingston Properties, and Regency Petroleum. The losers were led by A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, Paramount Trading, Iron Rock Insurance Company, JMMB Group 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares, and JMMB Group Limited 8.50% US dollar shares. 25 stocks traded firm. Foreign currency traded ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $157.48. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.31. The pound is going for $210.75, while the euro is selling for an average $185.52. And that's the financial week. News from overseas and our bites of the week after the break.